Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about iterators in Python. Okay, so just to give you guys a background, so we use iterators when using lazy variables, which we're gonna talk about this later. But just to give you guys a background on how this works, I'm gonna give you guys this tutorial, and later on, if you are interested in this topic, you guys should definitely um, watch those videos that I'm gonna make later. So just to get started, let's create a list of numbers. To create a list, we're gonna use the list function. We need to use with the range function. So let's show all the numbers. Let's just call print numbers, which is very quick to do. So if I run this, I should see all the numbers starting from 0 to 9. So this is a simple list, but how can we convert this to iterator? So I'm gonna show you guys a very basic example. We could create a variable called inter numbers. This inter stands for iteration, okay, iterator actually, which kind of works as an iteration, and we use the inter keyword and we pass numbers. So we've created a iterator to this list. So if I want to print the next number, I just call inter numbers, and actually next I need to put a next to this, and if I run this I should see. So if I wanna let's say do something while true, and I run this, I'm gonna see that I do have those numbers. Okay, so if I wanna surpass the um, the error, I should use a try catch. Actually, try except. I was thinking C#. So I could use. Let me see. Let me just remove this. I could use this. So what I would do is to print all those numbers until the end of this array. So you guys can see we could use this. So I could print with we have reached the end. Okay, so I could do this very simple, and that would print all those numbers. Yeah, I need to. So if you accept, we need to add a break. So now our code works perfectly. So this is another way you guys could use to use iterators. You guys can see that the code is very